Good evening, everybody. I'm going to show you how to install a robot or an EA on MT4 using your MacBook or your MacBook Air, any of the iOS machines, right? Now, first thing first, you must go to File at the top there. Considering that already your robot is on your laptop under Files, it can be on a desktop or anything. Mine is on desktop. You will go on File up there, then you will go to Open Data folder, then you will go to My Mac Desktop, because mine is on desktop. Then you scroll down to see where your file is. You go there, you copy the file, then you go back to MQL4, then you go to Experts. This is where you attach the file that you just copied. It's now in there. Now you can close this page, go back to your MT4. Under Expert Advisor, you refresh. Right, there we go. There is the file. Now you are going to attach it to the chart. This is how you attach it. You now, okay, first thing first, let's start from the common. You allow live trading. Then you go to inputs. Then you change the inputs according to how I've sent on your email. There is a pamphlet that I've sent on your email. Because this is gold. Gold is the same as indices. So you'll understand. If it was currency pairs, you're going to use the other settings. There are two sections there. Two sections. So you're going to use the first section here. You're going to punch in 5,000. On stop loss, you're going to punch in 2,500. We're going to use 1:2 ratio. Then the trailing start, you will use half. You'll use 1,500. Don't be afraid, guys. These are just points. It's 1,500 points. Lot size, you're going to use 0.01 minimum. Number of trades. The good thing about this robot is that the number of trades, you can be able to choose how many trades you want the robot to open at the same time. I want the robot to open 4 trades at the same time. I'm going to click OK now. There we go. Our robot is installed. The voltage, plug and play. The voltage, plug and play. So it's already on the screen. It's already installed. Then you select your time frame. Then you switch on your auto trading at the top there for it to start operating. So this account is on 00, it's not funded. So we're gonna wait for Monday. We fund our accounts, we start trading. As you can see, everybody, the voltage goes to plug and play. It's live, it's on, it's working, it's pure, it's just ready to start making money for you. Clinton Malapa again here. As you know me, guys, I'm always here to assist. This is how you install an MT4 robot on an iOS MacBook Pro or MacBook Air. That's how it goes.